We are at Metran Industrial Group, the plant for designing, manufacturing, and servicing measurement instruments and automated control systems. Temperature operations start with the production of protective tubes. The unit goes through the full production cycle, including machining, welding, assembly, parameter settings, and tests. Quality control is performed at every production step. In 2013, the new -60 degrees Celsius option was added for temperature transmitters. Metran Industrial Group has consistently received the Emerson Star Safety Award as the safest company site.
Безопасность – это результат выбора, а не случая.
The pressure transmitter manufacturing process requires increased attention to details. Such exceptional attention to the process is a prerequisite. Since units never move to a downstream operation until the successful completion of work by the upstream operation. Recently, we have launched the production of the 3051S supermodule. So, Chelyabinsk facility will have manufacturing capabilities for the full Rosemount pressure line. Lead time is customized per each and every project. But there might be emergencies when lead time is critical. The on-demand program is established to quickly fulfill small orders. The similar Best Match program covers valves and regulators. Fisher operations start with machining parts. Instead of waiting for imported components, we can now produce them here at Metran. Our customers present interesting challenges to control system operations. Non-standard challenges are met with outstanding solutions, even if the control system is to be located in a capsule or suitcase. Commissioned in 2016, the High Precision Flow Lab complies with all the applicable requirements for secondary reference standards. Consisting of 5 lines, the Flow Lab is considered unique in Russia with respect to the total capacity of 2,000 cubic meters per hour.
Производство уровнемеров для Метрана является принципиально новым. Ничего подобного на базе нашего предприятия ранее реализовано не было.